Hello, this is John Wright with the monthly update for the month of September. I'm doing this the second weekend in October, so a little bit late. Apologize for that. But because I'm doing it after a little bit of a decline this last Friday with Trump announcing potential additional tariffs against China, I thought I'd take a moment in this month's update to talk about the golden question, which is how do I stay invested in stocks but also protect my downside? And the short answer to that, because it's a very valid concern held by many people, the short answer is for very conservative investors. We want to use our regression modeling to steer clear of the worst potential offenders in a downcline, so downturn. And for other investors, we'd like to combine equity and options, and we've talked about those in the past. We'll talk about them again in the future. Let me quickly share updates, and then we'll come back to these two options. So for updates for the month of September, you can see we're still doing fantastically well. We're now up on an annualized basis, roughly 50% for our equity accounts and 100%, a little over 50% for equity and over 100% for our option accounts. So another good month this last month. We're 9 out of 12 months in and looking on track, even better actually than our stellar previous years. So all good news on that front. But let's talk about the when the market falters. So this slide looks at every month from the beginning of 2022 until present, and it aggregates all of the down months in the S&P 500. So if the market was down that month, how much was it down? And on average, it was down by 4.3% over the 17 down months that we saw in that time period. Our stellar equity clients were also down, but by less than 1%. So consider that a win, relatively flat. And then our option clients were up strongly. Now, I should caution that this number includes 2022 results when we only had one account, my personal account. That was a test account with options, and that was a very strong year. But the fact remains that options can do very well in a down market because the put options pay out. Um, and um, our clients have been very happy with those accounts for that reason. So that really wraps up my short update this month. Again, performance has been in line, and I'm not worried about any stumbles in the market. If the market continues to go down over the coming week or so, that's actually great news for our clients. I'm confident that we will weather that storm. So thank you again. Appreciate your patronage and appreciate any referrals.